Brake checking is illegal for all the right reasons. These actions can cause horrible accidents and can damage your car as well. However, there are still people out there who do this to show their reckless driving or to do insurance fraud. So here are some videos of stupid drivers brake checking and causing accidents. Damn, that brake check failed terribly, and the video maker was just lucky that he escaped a possibly horrendous accident. I don't know what the point behind this driver going for a brake check was. Was he getting tailgated? Anyway, he was the one who ended up taking the damage. This idiot first overtook the car and then did a brake check. Who gives idiots like these licenses? At least the driver stopped by instead of storming out of sight. To all those brake checkers out there, you're just trying to commit suicide instead of driving smartly or normally. Did this guy have the guts to brake check a frickin' lorry? Well, his car got smashed from behind, a well-deserved treatment. This guy was acting smart by overtaking the video maker and then brake checking to force him to move away, but things backfired. These guys did a brake check to provoke a potential insurance fraud. If you ever go through this, call the cops immediately and do not apologize. Also, a dashcam always helps. Okay, so it looks like the brake check wasn't necessarily intentional here. Maybe this lady just doesn't have any brain cells to rub together. This driver pays for his idiotic driving in the end as he gets pulled over by the cops later on. We just fail to understand whether this was done on purpose or he just slams the brakes for no reason. When a driver acts smart and brakes checks like that, make sure to run over them. They truly deserve it. Oh yeah, definitely insurance fraud. The driver did a brake check intentionally, and it looked like she wanted her car to crash. Another guy did a brake check for an insurance claim, and even though the car behind him stopped, he was hit by a car behind him that forced the accident. Pretty much dominoes. What do you do when you see a brake checker? You crash the hell out of their car and have a dashcam so you have proof the guy doesn't deserve insurance. Brake checking on a highway. Man, this guy wants to die. If you brake check on a highway, your family won't make a car insurance claim, they'll make a life insurance claim. Don't do that. When you see an idiot driver coming into your lane like that, make sure you crash into his car as much as you can so that he never does it again. It's a shame when someone in charge of implementing law and order brake checks and cuts off citizens like that. We can't understand why the driver was going for a brake check in this situation. Can anyone in the comment section tell us and explain? What a terrible driver. If you see drivers like these and you have a dashcam, immediately report the case to the police. What do you think is the motive behind this person's brake checking? Well, another reason could be his incredibly low IQ and moral values. Always keep a dashcam in your car to capture actions of such idiots. They don't deserve to be on the roads, let alone with a vehicle. Some people are just asking for trouble. This guy in the red car would have been run over if he did this with a truck.